Hello, I would like to share with you a product that I received from Amazon. It is a mesh nebulizer. I'm going to go ahead and unpack it. It came very nicely packaged. I'm going to go ahead and unpack and let you see the contents. So in the bag, you will find the main source, which is the main source of the nebulizer right here. And the top part's where the medicine goes in. There's a USB cord, a bag to store, an adult mask, and a child's mask, and then just a mouthpiece. I'm going to go ahead and install the adult piece and show you what that looks like once it's on. Okay, so here it is. I've put the adult mask onto the nebulizer. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. This just hooks on right here. And then here's the power button right there. So when it's blue, that means you're good to go. And then you just apply it to your face. And then if you're adding your medicine, it just goes into the top. There is a nice little easy space to put that in there. Just clips on nicely. So yeah, this is a pretty useful tool, especially around this cold and flu season. I think it'll come in handy. So really easy to use. And again, the mask just kind of pops off if you want to pop it off. And then there's a child size mask and then just a mouthpiece if you prefer to use that. It runs off of batteries, which are installed right there in the back. And then it also has that USB charging port. So very nice product. I'm pretty pleased with it.